Welcome to a product overview of the Acumatica Distribution Edition. The Distribution Edition covers everything you need for controlling your inventory, including purchases, warehousing, and sales order management. To help manage your inventory, Acumatica comes with a variety of dashboards, including the Warehouse Manager dashboard you see on the screen. It includes areas for shipping, receiving, and planning, to name a few. Now, let's shift over to the Inventory module. Besides maintaining your stock items, it includes a variety of solutions, including kits, automated operations for barcode scanning, template items, which are items with multiple attributes like size, color, and style, physical inventory, and then there's the replenishment module. This feature makes your life easier by suggesting purchases when your inventory falls below a certain quantity. For example, let's click on the Prepare Replenishment screen and look for suggestions for the wholesale warehouse. Here you see that we have demand for 2,107 units, but we only have 1,900 on hand. Thus, it's suggesting that we make a purchase. Now let's view the Shipping Clerk dashboard. Here you see information pertinent for shipping clerks. Let's look at one of the sales orders that is ready to ship. Here you see a sales order for Alta Ace, which includes a line for a laptop. On the bottom of the screen, you see that Acumatica is showing the number of units on hand and available for that item. The unit price for this item is $500, but when we change the quantity to 3 or more, the volume level price break updates the price accordingly. Just a few columns over, you can see the mark for PO Box, which is useful for creating a purchase order from the sales order and keeping the two records linked. Items can be added to an order by using the Load Records from File button, or just click the Add Items button and review the items that have been sold since a particular date and mark the items to include on the order. You can also utilize the Quick Process button, which is helpful when items have been removed from inventory without going through a shipping process. Think counter sales. Now let's click the Create Shipment button to send instructions to the warehouse for fulfillment. On the shipment screen, we get to key in the number of units shipped. We can go up to the Actions button and print the pick list where you will see barcodes printed automatically. This is where our warehouse management solution, WMS, comes in handy with handheld barcode scanning. On the Shipping tab, we can shop for rates with one of our shipping partners. The freight will be added automatically to the AR invoice. On the Packages tab, we click the Confirm Shipment button. The tracking number will be added to the shipment automatically. And the shipping label will be generated and can be printed and added to the box. Finally, we have the Purchasing module, where we can take requests and requisitions, transition them to purchase orders, and track the purchase through purchase receipts. All of this can be monitored via the Purchasing dashboard. We hope you have enjoyed the introduction to the Distribution Edition. We would now like you to hear from one of our customers and how Acumatica helps them to be successful.
Eagle Fence Distributing operates 5 regional distribution centers in Chicago, St. Louis, Little Rock, Birmingham, and Houston. We sell chain link, wood, PVC, ornamental iron, all types of security-related products, both for residential and commercial application.
When we first started conversations with Eagle Fence, they had 5 different locations that were running on 5 separate systems. Things like inventory management and credit management were a complete nightmare.
Sage worked well for us for a short period of time, but as we increased our footprint, we quickly outgrew it. It was a facility server-based program, which really limited access from remote.
We've been very pleased with Acumatica and iTech getting us to market rapidly, and then also being very secure. Our uptime has been, 99.9%.
iTech has really helped us out immensely. Anytime we have an issue, I can pick up the phone and give them a call, and they'll answer our questions, or they'll walk us through the process, or whatever we need.
We don't want to just make the initial software sale. We want to be with you and support you and help your business grow and become more successful.
Acumatica played a huge role in us being so productive during this whole pandemic. We also went through a tornado that demolished part of the city that our office is in. It allowed us to be able to be home with our families during that time, and we could still be just as productive, sometimes even more productive working at home than we are in the office.
Whether I'm out in the field somewhere and I've got a question for a vendor or maybe an inventory issue to see if I've got product on hand, I just pick up my phone, go to the app, and boom, there's the information that I need.
Acumatica is one centralized platform that's cloud-based, so you can have a single source of data, one dashboard that shows you information from all of your branches, and it's in real time.
For me, as a branch manager, Acumatica has done a fantastic job consolidating things onto one page. I can go in and look at how my salespeople are doing, each one individually. I can see how we're doing for the year, how we're trending, and so forth. It just makes it really simple.
If it wasn't for Acumatica, we would not have experienced the growth that we have. I would say it's doubled since I've been here, what we do on a monthly basis.
Well, I think Acumatica is just such an unlimited platform that we can use to grow our business.
Adding branches, that's going to be very easy for us to do rapidly. The licensing was a big deal. Obviously, having a great third party, being in the cloud, put all of those components together and we got a home run.